trains. Look, it's a tractor pulling its trailer. It's driving along the road. The tractor is carrying hay to the farm for animals to eat. Now it's driving under a bridge. Look. Now, here we are. We arrived and we must offload the hay from the trailer into the barn. This pretty cow lives in a field near the farm. And now the tractor must collect a horse. But which animal is the horse? Yes, this one. Into the trailer it goes. Okay, now let's drive to the farm. Hey, stop, tractor. That bridge is too low. The head of the horse cannot go under it. Perhaps we should call some construction workers to build a higher bridge. Shall we? Ah, here they are. Okay, first we need to break and destruct the old bridge. Okay, now the old bridge has been destructed. It's broken and gone. Now the crane is bringing a very big new bridge. Wow. Okay, now lower the last part of the road to the bridge. Super! Look! Now the trailer and horse can pass under the new bridge because it's higher. Come on, horse! It's time for you to get out now. Our work here has finished. Now we need to go in the truck to our next job. Bye! Welcome again to BRIO City. At the BRIO City Railway Junction, many trains arrive and depart every day. They carry many passengers quickly and safely to lots of different places. Unfortunately, the railway track here is still unfinished. A bridge must be built to prevent a train crash and allow the passengers to continue their journeys. It's not easy constructing good roads and railway tracks, but we will build the bridge. We need stones, brick blocks and cement. Let's start construction. Here we are at the stone quarry, where we can dig out heavy rocks and stones from the ground and make big building blocks. This big crane helps us to pick up big, heavy things like this block. And load them into building train wagons. block can then travel to the construction site. Let's offload this big block here with the other building blocks from the quarry.
I need to load these blocks onto my big truck. Luckily for me, I can use this orange-coloured forklift truck to help me. Just watch. Loading. 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 Okay, truck, you are loaded. Off you go now. Unloading.
Now we need to mix cement to glue blocks together. Watch how the mixing drum of my cement mixer revolves. Okay, the cement has arrived.
Hi, I'm the crane operator for the construction site. I will help to build this bridge by lifting massive blocks. I lift them up very high. And then I lower them carefully into place to create the bridge.
Look at that. What do you think? We have finished our bridge, and now trains can carry their passengers safely to their destinations.